How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be going over my personal top stocks that I'm watching for the upcoming week, my favorite setups, how I'm going to handle the trades. But as always, before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Go ahead and do that now so you don't forget. First stock I'm watching, AMC. You can clearly see why. Had a huge run on Friday, had some news. Now let me give you the game plan for this trade. Preferably we have a pullback, we catch it off a bounce around this 19.4. We're watching volume. You know, if it falls through this level, the next bounce area is around this 18.3. I will try this 19.5 area for some 20 calls if the volume looks right. Have plenty of videos on that. Now, let's say we don't have a pullback. Let's say we're just, pure strength, which can happen with these meme stocks. They are a little higher risk, but, the options on AMC are not that expensive, so the risk to reward is there if you know how to trade these. My long entry is above 22.7. I'm looking to get probably 23, 24 call options in that area for the scalp to the upside. If you want to try this as a swing trade, I don't like this personally as a swing trade, but if you do, be sure you go further out expiration than using the weeklies because time decay will affect your premium. Second stock I'm watching, GME. Yes, in degenerate mode this week for some reason. I'm playing. I really like these setups. They look good. Technicals look right. And it's small account friendly. Both AMC and GME, they're the cheap options. As long as you know proper risk management, you should be fine. So I'm looking for a break above this 40.4 area or calls to the upside. If we have some good volume, I do think we see that 47 area this week. I definitely will trim a lot before that, but it looks solid. If you want to get some finer, if you want to find some price targets in between, you can use simple support and resistance, person's pivots, whatever you prefer. I personally like to scalp these meme stocks because they can turn around quickly. I like Visa, ticker V. Third stock I'm personally watching. I'm watching it above 218 for a breakout of this trend line. Probably use 220 calls. I seen someone inside Team Bull chat talking about this, and I looked at it. I really liked it. Love seeing the members learning how to identify these levels themselves. No better feeling, seeing members become consistently profitable day traders. As you can see here, my price targets. If we can get past that 20 area, I do believe we see that 25 area. I don't know if it happened that same day or later on in the week. Keep in mind, I start locking in profits around that 10 to 20% area on my contracts, move my stop loss up accordingly. Those of you that follow me, I know I say this often, but this is day trading. Scalping, it's all about risk management. Not every trade will be a winner. You got to be disciplined, and where you're going to stop out, you got to have a plan before you enter. I try my best to give you all my plan every morning on Instagram Live. So if you're not watching that, you need to definitely go check that out. The fourth and final stock I'm watching is Walmart, ticker WMT. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let me start at the monthly. You can see this bear flag on the monthly. Remember, higher time frame, the more dominant the level is. Let's go to the weekly so I can walk you through this a little bit better. I'm watching for a break below that 120 for some puts. According to this bear flag pattern, we got room all the way down to 94.72. That's a huge move. It could take us a couple weeks to see that. For those of you that know how to trade a bear flag, these are very easy to manage. If you don't know how to trade a bear flag, I'll leave the link to my bear flag video in the description. Check that out. You should know how to manage this trade accordingly. But this is the top stocks I'm watching for the upcoming week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave the questions in the comments or hit me up on Instagram or inside the Discord. I try to get to all my DMs. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching.